Today in ArcGIS Pro, it's the I think sixth tutorial. So in this video, we will be focused on how to merge, split the polygons when you are created. So how you edit the polygons. So by this, we firstly open a new ArcGIS Pro desktop. So you can change the location your project. For example, if I go to the my practice software folder, okay it, and okay, so you will be seeing the this kind of project will be created in your folder, and this all kind of files will be created automatically in your folder. So it loaded the base map first. So just waited, and you can also change your base map. For example, if I go to the street map, so it will be take a little bit. For example, if I zoom this one, like this way. So for example, any area you can choose it, but I choose this area to show for the practice purpose. So firstly, which we do create a shape file first. For this purpose, we go into the uh, view tool, and they have the catalog panel. And firstly, you can refresh your folder, and then add your folder connection to the geology software, which is the name of this software. So uh, you can open it, and they have the project tree. So you can right click on it, new, and go to shapefile. So it will be created as shapefile. So you will be, this is the environment which you can give in the uh, output data coordinate system. So it will be directly loaded if you are just clicking the my current map. And class name, for example, we just practice polygon, how to merge and split polygon. So we are practicing, and everything is right. So we have polygons, so you can also change anything, points or anything else. So we will be run it, so it will be created a polygon in this window table, content table. So I will be cross it. If you have see how it will create it in your folder, so go to this, and we have like this kind of practice polygon, almost 3 to 4 files, in which this shp is very important shape file. So firstly, we create a like a shape file, uh, go to the edit, and go to the create, and this practice polygon we have to create a polygon. So like for practice purpose, we create like this. So this is the lake. So for practice purpose, so you can okay it. So this is, for example, we create is the lake, and I cross it, or you go to the attribute table. So they will show you this is the only one polygon you can create it. And you can also add that what is the area of this polygon. So if I clear it, clear, okay. Calculate it. Okay, so we will be later on calculated. Okay, so this add is not coming because of the Now this editing option is not open, so we will be open the editing option, and firstly save it. So this, whenever you save it, this editing option is now visible. You can click on it, so it will be show you which field you are edited. For example, we show you I need a area folder to calculate the area, and the data type will be double, means like it will be in the number form. So everything is correct, so you can to save it, so it will be automatically create a folder area. So on the area, when you clear it and cross this one, and the area, you can right click on it, you can calculate the geometry. So this is the area. We also, for the area, and the unit will be hectare. What is the hectares of this area, and the coordinates is the current coordinate system, and okay. So it will be give the area of the your, this is your 51 hectare area of this polygon. So now the main point, how to like split the your this polygon into two or into three. So we press it, we firstly save it, and then we go to split. By splitting, you can like if you on the snapping, and it will be like this is the boundary, so you will be split like from this to this. Okay, one split, and if I create another split like from this to, okay, so we created the three splitting. And whenever, how to check it that these three are just like for example they are splitting. So in order to save it, go to the attribute table, it will be now into three, they are will be into three divided, each one have different area. So you can also modify, for example calculate geometry, then you can add the data hectare polygon, and then now okay, it will I think change the, okay. So for example the polygon, this polygon have hectare area 51, this one this, and I change this area of polygon this 3, so his area is 19.38. so you can also change one by one by clicking right click and go to the calculate geometry to know the area. And you can also change the color. For example, if you go to this and go to the, like for example this, you can change the color, and you can, or if I go to select and only I selected this, now I will be becoming to merge these two. So you can select it one click and then press shift, so you can select it. So this is the another option which is known as merge. So whenever you click the merge, so what is this preserve? Preserve means that it merge with respect to this area, or it merge with respect to this area. So anyone you can change it. And this, what is the 00? So the 00 is the, when you go to the attribute channel, so this is the FID, I think, yes, this is the FID of the area. So for example I click this, it would be merge with respect to this area, and go to the merge, so it will be merged. So only two polygons we are remaining. And so you can merge split like this. as you can wish. So in this video we just know that how to merge split the polygons and how to move. You can also move your polygon just clicking like this and okay it. So you can cut split your polygon and then move it, so you can easily do it. It's very easy. You can also rotate everything. So as your work, depending on their work, which thing which you are needed. So hope you will find some interesting or some informative video. So in the next video we will also try some new thing in the ArcGIS Pro. Thank for watching this.